Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vateeb, and in today's video, I will show you how to easily set up reputation management for your clients, helping them attract more positive reviews and keep negative reviews off Google. Plus, I will also show you how to seamlessly send appointment reminders, ensuring your clients never miss a beat. If you are ready to boost your client's reputation and streamline their communication, stay tuned for the whole video. Here is the funnel that I have set up. So whenever we are going to send them a link for review request, we are not going to send them a Google link. We are going to send them this funnel links. So what's going to happen here? When they're going to click between 4 to 5 star, we are going to take them to Google. But if they are going to, let's go back. But if they are going to click between 1 to 3 star, we gonna bring them internally. So allowing our clients to address their concerns privately and improve their service. How? Let me show you the technicality behind it. So this is the funnel that we have set up and integrated the survey in the funnel. This is the actual survey. Here is the logic. I have used GHL logic here. So when they're gonna click 4 or 5 star, we're gonna immediately disqualify them and send them to Google directly. But if they are clicking 1 to 3 stars, we are bringing them to page 2 over here. How this is happening? If we come here to options, disqualify immediately, this is the custom value, the link, the custom value we have created. And what's the link behind this custom value? Let me show you that one as well. If we want to come to our custom values, this is the custom value review Google URL that we have created, the Google URL. So which means when we're gonna disqualify them, it's going to directly send them to the Google. I'm going to show you the workflow behind as well. So if we come here, as you can see, this is the workflow that I have set up already. So the first one is appointment reminders and confirmation. Just click here. Someone is booking an appointment, it is going straight to the confirmed status. So after that, it's a math operation. What is it? I have added a custom field, appointment count. So I want to know how many times the appointment is booked by the same person. So with this custom field, appointment count is add equal to 1, which is you can basically do a math operation in GHL. Add is 1 and then create a custom field. This is the custom field that I want to update. I want to add 1. So it means every time someone is booking an appointment, I am adding +1. So if it's the person came the 10th time, it will be appointment count will be equal to 10. After that, I am creating an opportunity in the pipeline, which is applied health main pipeline, and status is booked. Appointment stage is booked. Create an opportunity name, and the calendar name source means where the person is coming from. So which calendar that person booked an appointment in. After that, we are just sending them appointment confirmation email and an internal notification to our client. So we are sending another notification 24 hours before the appointment. Similarly, we are sending another notification 3 hours before the appointment. So here is it where the reputation management part starts. So 3 hours after their appointment, this is what's happening. 3 hours after their appointment, we are updating the status to show automatically the appointment status before, which was confirmed. And when after 3 hours after the appointment, we are automatically triggering this to showed. So what's gonna happen with this trigger, I'm going to show you in a sec. So also, I am going to update opportunity to attended stage in the main pipeline. So let me actually show you the main pipeline. If I just open that one. So here is our main pipeline coming through. GHL is always slow, as you know. So here is the pipeline that we've created applied health main pipeline, and this is our, so whenever this is a new lead, and whenever someone is going to book an appointment, they're going to come here, and if someone is going to cancel, they will be coming here. After, if they appoint and their appointment is finished, they will come here in attendant. And as you can see, at the very end, after 3 hours their appointment is going to be updated in the attended stage, and status will be 1. So this is where this we are going to use this short status as our trigger, where I am. So this is the ongoing review campaign. Excuse me. So whenever that 3 hours after their appointment, that appointment status is changing to short automatically, what's going to happen then? So when the appointment status is going to change to short, as you can see here, status is short. This is a synthetic weight that we are using here. Just wait for a second. This is a personal preferences. Sometimes GHL have delays in their system, which I have noticed. So this is what I do. So here is a condition with, does this includes a tag review requested? If it does review a request, if we have requested a review in the past, we are not going to send them, we are bringing them here. But if we have not requested a review in the past, we are going to send this email. So what does this email says? Hey, contact name, we appreciate your business, like having you as a customer, it would mean the world US, and blah blah blah. So here is the fun part. Leave a review for our business here. So as you can see, here is the trigger link that we are using. So where this trigger link came from, let me show you. So we have set up a trigger link over here. So this is our trigger link. As you can see, review request link, which is custom value review request link, will be our trigger link. And this is the custom value for that trigger link. Review request link will be equal to, this is the funnel that we have created. So that will be our trigger link here. So come back to the tab. So yeah, so this is the trigger link that we have added, and I will show you why we have added this trigger link. So we're gonna come back. So after first email, we are going to also add a tag review requested, and we are going to wait 1 day. After 1 day, we are going to see if the tag includes review linked clicked. If the tag includes review linked clicked, we are not going to send them another email. But if it does not include this tag, we are going to send an email. So this part, the tag review linked clicked, where we got this from. So as you can see, here is another workflow review link clicked. So if we come here, if the person have clicked the review link, if the person have clicked on the review link, we are not going to send them another email. So how we know if they have clicked? Because as I mentioned, we have set up a trigger link. If they're gonna click on that link, trigger link, we are tracking that link. So we're gonna add a tag review link clicked. So if they clicked on that link, with that workflow, we are tracking if they have clicked. But if they have clicked, we are not going to send them an email. So I hope this is making sense for you. So, and let's come back here. So we already discussed appointment confirmation and reminders workflow. We discussed review link clicked. Ongoing review campaign we discussed as well. So I want to come back here and talk to you. As you know, so let's say this is the second time the contact is coming now in the workflow. And when the contact came in the workflow, he booked the appointment second time, event is normal, status is showed. When the status is showed, that contact will come here and we will see if it's include review requested. If the tag includes review requested, because here we are included the tag the first time. If it does include review requested, we are not going to continue the workflow and just remove that contact here. So here are the other workflow. So negative feedback received. So when someone is giving us a negative feedback, where what we want to do, as you can see in the workflow, in the funnel, let me show you that one as well. As you can see, here is it. I showed you earlier, when they're going to click between 1 to 3 star, we are going to send them to the page 2, which is this one. We want to know their name, email, and feedback. Sometimes people don't want to leave their name or email address, so we are just asking them for the feedback. So this is happening in the negative review received. So when they're going to submit 2, 3, or 1 star, we're going to remove them from the ongoing workflow, ongoing review campaign, sorry, and then add a tag negative feedback. Then we are going to send an internal notification to client as an email, okay, and internal notification to client saying, okay, that person have left you a negative review, and also send an email to client thanking them for their review. As you can see here, thank you for sharing your experience with us. Our management team is reviewing your feedback so we can ensure that neither you nor any of other valued members, customers, have this same experience again. So this is exactly what we are doing, so we can rectify the customer's experience and improve customer experience. We don't want this review to go to Google. Hope everything is making sense for you. So we're gonna come back here, and as you can see, our appointment cancel, because this is where most of the people are making mistakes. Because if the customer is canceling an appointment, that person will still be receiving notification. Why? Because we have not removed them from the workflow. That person is still in the workflow, appointment reminders and confirmation workflow. So what we want to do, if the client have canceled the appointment, we want to remove them from the appointment reminders and confirmation workflow. Similarly, at the same time, we want to send an email to client internally saying that the person have canceled the appointment and move them to the cancel stage in the pipeline, which I showed you earlier, and which had a cancel appointment stage, and send an email to client saying that your appointment is canceled and you can book here again. This is a custom value calendar link that I have created. We will be sending them when they cancel the appointment so they can book again if they want. So we have discussed most of our workflow, and the last workflow I have here is this one, which is no show. Let me open this one. So no show is what? So as you know, in the very first workflow which I showed you, let me show you again. So as you know, in the very first workflow, which is this one, after 3 hours we are automatically changing the status to showed, and because of this status is showed, we are triggering another workflow, which is ongoing review campaign. So appointment status is showed and it's going to trigger this one, or if it has a tag appointment attended, because sometimes what happens, clients can't find how to change the pipeline, so they can just add a tag, and at this review request workflow will trigger. So why we wanted to have this no-show workflow is because this is the only manual thing that clients need to do, and this client is not that busy, so I have not set up a reminder. Otherwise, I can set up a reminder as well after 1 hour after their appointment, saying if the client showed up or no, and they can just click yes or no, and then on base of that, we can trigger this no-show workflow as well. So the status is if the event is normal and appointment status is no-showed, we're gonna add a tag no-show and remove them from the appointment confirmation and reminder workflow, which means we're not gonna wait for 3 hours and start triggering other workflows. We just want to remove them and stop all the workflows here. And I will also be setting up an e-commerce e-commerce store for this client. And if you want to see that, I would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe so I can share with you similar videos in the future. Actually, before I finish this video, let me show you the site that I have created for this client. So here it is. So as you can see, this is the site that I have created for my this client, and which is live, but we have not connected with this Google account yet. And these are the, if we click on book appointment, and these are the calendars, and we have not yet connected the Stripe. These are the calendars names that my client wanted to have. And yeah, so I will also be making another video, making an e-commerce store, sharing with you how we can connect and make an e-commerce store in the same website that I have created. If you find this valuable, again, I would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe and post below if you have any question. Thank you so much for your time, and see you again.